Hello everyone. Today I will introduce the Round Corners tool under the Vector Editor module in LiDAR360. This tool is primarily used to convert sharp corners of polylines or polygons into rounded corners. Users can control the extent of rounding by adjusting the radius parameter. Click the entity with the left mouse button to complete the round corners operation. If you encounter poor rounding results due to an excessively large radius, you can use the Undo button to revert the changes, adjust the radius, and reapply the rounding. That concludes the introduction to the Round Corners tool. Thank you for watching.